Hey guys, my name is John. If you are looking for more information about the Medicinal Garden Kit, today I am here to tell you a little bit about my experience with it and everything else you need to know before buying this product. I also have some very important alerts for you guys. So pay close attention until the end of this video, okay? Well, the first thing is, be careful about the website you're going to buy it from, because currently this kit is only sold on the official website. If you don't buy from the official website, you can get a fake product or even spend your money and don't get any product at all. So, to help you out, I've left the link to the Medicinal Garden Kit official website in the description of this video. Be sure to check that out once you guys are done watching this video. I have been looking and researching on how I can gather more information on how to grow my own medicinal garden in my own backyard and start taking care of my health naturally. And this kit definitely has opened my eyes to more than I thought that I knew about growing plants. I've been taking a couple courses and this kit literally has everything you need to know about growing in your own backyard. Another thing I liked a lot was that besides the packages with each type of seed, the kit comes with a medicinal guide with all the step-by-step instructions on how to plant, grow, and harvest each one, so it is very simple to understand and follow. By the way, thank you Nicole Apelian for making this kit because I'm really going to have a complete natural pharmacy in my own backyard and finally be able to take control of my health into my own hands. Also remember guys, they offer a satisfaction guarantee, so for whatever reason, if there's anything you don't like about it, you can actually ask for a refund and they'll give your money back, so it's that legit. Just make sure you buy it from the official website in the description of this video so you don't get in trouble with fake products. That way you get an original. And thank you so much for watching this Medicinal Garden Kit review video. I hope this has helped you.